Chrome isn't giving you useful recommendations when typing in the address bar or search box? There's a simple setting that can help fix it. Open the Google Chrome. Once Chrome opens, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, go to Settings. Now scroll down a little and tap on Google Services. Inside this section, look for the option called Improve Search Suggestions. If this setting is turned off, Chrome may give you slower or less accurate suggestions while searching. Simply enable the toggle next to it. Once enabled, Chrome can use additional information to provide faster, smarter, and more relevant search suggestions as you type. So when you enter a website, name, question, or keyword, Chrome will be better at predicting what you're looking for. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this feature may send some typed data to Google in order to improve suggestions and search results. So if you care more about privacy, you can always leave it disabled. But if you want a smoother and smarter browsing experience, this setting can definitely help. After turning it on, try typing something into the Chrome search bar, and you should notice improved suggestions almost instantly. Thanks for watching.